In tonight's People Making a Difference, a Southern California program setting people up for success. KCAL News reporter Luz Delia Caballero explains how it's offering high-paying job training with zero debt.
Imagine getting paid to learn.
Medical imaging cohort 1.
It was a reality for these 28 graduates that are now a part of the first group to complete a free 12-week program that prepared them to be skilled diagnostic imaging technicians.
Pretty special.
Including Vanessa Pacheco McCoy.
I was very happy because I've done the school where I had to work a part-time and go to school, paying for that, on top of paying the bills, on top of taking care of the kids. It wasn't easy and it wasn't fun.
So when this opportunity came up, it was a no-brainer for her.
I can't say no to this. I can't do that.
Ebonice Walker agrees.
Most of our problems are because of finances, so it's taking the stress off of your back, and you can kind of study more. You can put more into the job and learning.
Walker comes from an IT background, but says when her mom passed away, her career priorities shifted.
It kind of made me want to learn more about the things that she was going through.
All of this made possible in part by JVS SoCal, a nonprofit dedicated to bridging the gap between the workforce and meeting industry needs.
We train people for banking, for behind-the-scenes healthcare jobs, to be CNAs and apartment maintenance technicians, and this fifth one is called ImagingWorks. Our other 4 career paths are free, but this is our first what we would call learn and earn program.
Which is why these students say having a training program like this one that compensates them while they learn makes all the difference.
23 of the students are going to be offered jobs at RadNet to continue on full-time.
Get ready to work.
RadNet President and CEO Howard Berger says when he was presented with this idea of a partnership with JVS SoCal more than a year ago, he saw it as a way to fill a critical staffing need and help change people's lives.
The objective is not to leave somebody with high debt, but give them an opportunity to have a good income and not worry about how do they dig themselves out of a hole.
And so after long months of planning and most recently 12 weeks of intense training, the first ever ImagingWorks class is born.
Everyone graduates from something. Not very many people graduate from the first.
In La Brea,
This is a good, solid foundation.
Luz Delia Caballero, KCAL News.